Hello and welcome to Hartman. Today we're assembling the Amalfi oval table. Inside the box you will need to locate the bolt pack. Carefully empty the bolt pack to ensure you have the assembly instructions and the lists of components and fixings. Using this list, please check you have the correct amount of components and fixings and read through the instructions carefully before starting assembly. On this list you will see screw-in feet. These should already be in the table legs. Please allow up to 30 minutes. Although assembly only requires one person, it will always be easier with the help of a friend. Also in the box you should have these components: one tabletop, two short centre plates, two long centre plates, and four table legs. You must ensure that the short plate is connected to the long plate in this fashion. Both ends should not be symmetrical, and the plate with the lip should be on the inside and further away from the leg. Here you can see I'm attaching the leg with the short plate first and then the long plate with the lip. Make sure all feet are facing upwards. Once you have done this, loosely secure into place with the big flat washer, big lock washer, and a nut. Repeat this process for all legs, making sure you attach the plates in the correct fashion and all feet are facing upwards. Make sure all bolts are also on loosely at this stage. You should have this amount of flexibility once completed. On a soft, clean, flat surface, place the tabletop face down and attach the bolts. Pro tip: when attaching these bolts, ensure the screwdriver thread is face up. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 bolts. Once completed, use a flathead screwdriver to tighten. Be careful not to over-tighten, as aluminium is a soft metal and this will cause the thread to become damaged. The next step is to align the base to the top, then attach using the big flat washers, big lock washers, and the nut. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 legs. Now you can tighten all nuts with a 14mm spanner and cover with the nut caps. Once completed, with the help of a friend, turn the table to the upright position. Hartman. Comfort, design, quality.